Hello, today I will present my final project. Welpers is a place for people to help each other and save the world. To use the website you should sign up or log in if you have already an account. In homepage you can see people's posts and like them. You can also check posters' profile, follow and send a message. You also upload a new post. You can also change your profile picture. Other available options are the ability to change your password, your username and your security question. You can check the people you are following and your followers. In events page you can join other events or make your own event. Users can log out. Let's try to log in with another account. As you can see, you will receive a notification if you received a message or when other users like your posts or join your event. I forgot to mention you can also unfollow someone you already follow. You can search for other users and posts. This is my final project and thank you for your time.